In this video, I explain how to create data frame in Python. So now let's start. At first step, in this video, I explain how to create data frame in Python. So now let's start.
Pandas.
At first step,
Import pandas. Create
data frame. At second step, after import pandas, create data frame. At second step, after import pandas, curly braces start. Curly braces used mostly in dictionary creating. Curly braces start. Curly braces used
name.
mostly in
First
dictionary
I
creating.
introduce name colon.
Braces are other name is square bracket start.
Name.
These square bracket in Python
First
used for
name colon.
creation of list. We create here list of names. Other name is square bracket start. These square bracket in Python used for creation of list. We create
First
here
name
list of names.
Talha.
So for this
Second
purpose we use
name is
braces.
first name is Talha. Second candidate name is Zubair.
And third is Usman.
Zubair.
After that, and third is comma is used, and then I write age. Introduce next variable which is age. Comma is used, and then I write age. Introduce colon variable which is age. Again square braces use square or other name is square bracket, colon square bracket, and write the age 10 square braces
9,
use age of the or other name is square bracket and comma use, and write now here the age. The next variable is city 9 from which 5 city age of they are belong candidate, and comma use. Now here is the next variable is city from which city they are belong colon Khanewal, and square bracket Kabirwala, Khanewal, and next Kabirwala, Chishtiya, and next these are cities. Now we introduce our data. Chishtiya. Here these are cities. Now we is the abbreviation introduce for data frame in our Python. Data pd dot here data frame df is the abbreviation used for data frame in Python. pd dot start data frame right here, because we call data, we name it as data, so right here data parenthesis start enter right here print command, because we call data, we name it as data, so right here data enter print command is used df. Here is error because we not write here columns, so I write again. Now run. So
here is error
we run
because
the
we not
data. Here is the data frame.
right here column.
These entries are column.
Right again. Now
Please remember that.
run.
So data frame has we run three parameters. Data. Here is the data frame. Is data. These entries data are is column. Is any data that you provide, like data frame has age and city. Three parameters. Second is index. Number one index is data. This is called the index. Data is the if you do not is any data that any you provide, rows, like then name, then age, by default Python is index, from 0 this is called the index n minus 1. If you do not we have 3 rows any number 2 rows minus 1 then by default 2. By default Python from 0 rows so on n minus 1, and these are the we column have 3 rows n and is 3 minus 1 because we so mention 0 1 name of column by default name Python provides. So here rows do not mention then, and these Python are by default here use the numbers and we start from 0 because we mention name of column as name, age and city. So here if you do not mention then Python by default here use the numbers which start from 0 to n minus 1. Thanks for watching.